Everything nearly died. Countless heroes were killed. It all started when Magneto used Thor's hammer to create worldwide destructions. The Avengers have disbanded. The X-Men are gone. Mutants are hunted down as criminals. And during this chaos, Thor's beloved Valkyrie died. He picks her lifeless body and to reclaim her soul, Thor then enters into Valhalla. But there he is encountered by Hela, the mistress of death, and she gives him an offer. Defeat the army of fallen warriors, prove he is worthy, and then she will return Valkyrie. So Thor agrees and he enters in a brutal fight with the undead army. Thor is determined that he will not leave this place without his love. But the increasing number of the undeads keep the pressure on. But suddenly, Thor is allied by Captain America. It seems Cap might be dead. The two heroes fought bravely, and after defeating the last undead, Thor demands Hela to show up. So the evil comes with the lifeless body of Valkyrie. Thor is pissed as he cleared her task. Then why she is still dead? So Hela says, if she allows one to leave this land, then another must stay in her place. Cap tries to convince Thor he will stay. He can live with Valkyrie, but Thor sacrifices himself to save both Captain and his love Valkyrie and allows them to go back to life. But things turn bad. Thor is still imprisoned, waiting for Hela to return him to Valkyrie. But Hela has other plan. She is the only ruler of Valhalla for an untold time, and now she thinks she wants a heir to her throne. She wants a son, and in exchange, she will give Thor whatever his heart desires. So with no other choice left, Thor agrees, and after doing their things and waiting to be free, Thor loses his patience. He charges at Hela, but she again reminds Thor that in order to leave Valhalla, another must take his place. So Thor proceeds to kill Hela instead, but he quickly pauses as Hela is already pregnant. Seeing that, Thor is surprised as they were together only for the last night. So Hela tells him time passes differently in this realm. He has spent his time for almost 100 of years, but in the end, Thor is resurrected at the price of the death of his love Valkyrie by Loki's hand. So to get his revenge for killing his love, Thor goes into rage mode. He wants to kill his brother and make him pay for his crime. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.